Virgindale Carmen School presents The Salmon of Knowledge, a work based on an Irish story, created by Patricia Larita and her 5th grade students.
Fionn McCamhail was only a boy when his father, the king, was killed in battle. His mother sent him to be reared by 2 women who lived in the woods. These wise women taught him to hunt, use a spear and sword, and how to protect himself. They taught him most of the things he needed to know in order to become a leader of Fiona. Fionn grew strong and brave, and he was very good at many sports. He could run quicker than a hare, and he could strike a duck with a stone from a sling. However, he also needed to know 12 books of poetry by heart. So the wise women sent him to a famous poet called Fionnachas. The poet lived beside the River Boyne in County Meath. Here, Fionn learned much wisdom and was taught many poems stories. Fionnachas has spent 7 years trying to catch the salmon of knowledge in the River Boyne. It was said that the first person to taste this fish would have the gift of knowledge and would be wiser than any other person alive. Early morning, Fionnachas caught a large salmon. It was beautiful and shone like silver. He knew it must be the salmon of knowledge. He brought it to Fionn and asked him to cook it. Fionnachas told him to tie it to fire and roast the salmon over it. He warned Fionn not to eat any of the fish, because he knew that the first person to taste the magic fish would be given the gift of great knowledge. As the fish was cooked, Fionn noticed a big blister on its skin. He burst the blister with his thumb. The fish was very hot and some of the skin stuck to Fionn's thumb and burned it. To ease this pain, Fionn put his thumb into his mouth. He forgot about the warning he had gotten from Fionnachas. Fionn brought the salmon to Fionnachas when it was fully cooked. When Fionnachas looked into his eyes, he immediately knew that Fionn had received the gift of knowledge and wisdom from the fish. Fionnachas was sad, but he knew that Fionn did not disobey him on purpose, and he forgave him. Fionn was now a wise, brave warrior. He was able to foretell the future every time he put his thumb into his mouth. Soon afterwards, he left Fionnachas and was chosen as leader of Fiona.